is your step-by-step guide to installing the Ultralift hydraulic mount cover lifter onto your hot tub or spa. Begin by opening the box your cover lifter came in and check the contents against the installation guide to ensure you have all the components required. Also ensure that you have the right tools on hand. They include a 6-foot tape measure, ratchet wrench, and 5/16" socket bit, cordless power screwdriver or drill, and a number of cross slot or Phillips screwdriver bits. Now you're set to start the install of your new cover lifter. Step 1. Ensure that the hot tub is 16 inches or more out from any wall, obstruction, or fence. This provides ample clearance for your cover to sit into once your cover lifter is installed. Now begin by inserting the 2 round plastic caps into the open ends of the round pivot arms. Then insert the 2 plastic square caps into the open ends of the slider pivot brackets. Then install the foam grips onto the corner support arms. Step 2. With your cover in the closed position, begin the next step. You need to assemble the 2-piece mounting bracket using 2 5/16" NCW lock nuts. Place the mounting bracket at the edge of where the corner radius begins and at the flap edge of your cover. Then install the mounting bracket to the cabinet using the supplied 1 1/4" number 10 self-tapping screws. Repeat the same process on the opposite side. Step 3. Install the ball studs as shown. Then insert the slider pivot arm and bracket into the mounting bracket and position it so the back of the bracket lines up with the back edge of the spa. Then secure both slider pivot brackets using the number 10 5/8" self-tapping screws. Now slide the cover hooks as shown here onto the long arm of the corner support arms. You slide the long end of the corner support arm into the center pole and repeat this on the opposite side. Step 4. Then align the hole at the end of the slider pivot arm with the top hole in the slider pivot bracket. Position the nylon washers on either side of the pivot arm and bracket. Then secure them into place by sliding through the bolt pin and secure that pin into place using the clevis pin. Repeat this step on the opposite side of the spa. Step 5. Make sure that the center pole runs parallel to the folding seam of the cover. Then on the side of the spa, secure the pivot arm with 3 number 10 5/8" self-tapping screws. Then step back and make sure that the pivot arms are still 1.5 inches out from the spa and the center pole is sitting 1 inch back of the center seam. If so, finish securing the pivot arm on the opposite side of the spa. Place a protective layer of cardboard under the center pole. Then rotate the center pole so that the screw holes are on the side of the bar and not on top facing down. Then secure the arm using 3 10 5/8" self-tapping screws. Step 6. At this stage, open up the spa cover to the upright position and attach the larger end of the hydraulic arm to the ball stud, now installed on the slider pivot arm, by pressing the fitting over the end of the ball stud itself. Then move it up so the opposite end meets the ball stud, also now installed on the round pivot arm. Repeat these steps on the opposite side of the spa. Step 7. You're almost there. Cover the self-tapping screws and wood screws with the black plastic covers that snap over the heads of each screw, finishing the look. Then install the J-hook into the pivot bracket in the open position hole with the hard cover up. This ensures some added safety, and when the cover is down, move the J-hook to the closed position hole. You have now installed your Ultralift hydraulic mount cover lifter. Remember to always fold back your cover before using the cover lifter, to lift the cover into its final resting place. This ensures a longer life for your cover and cover lifter, extending your enjoyment of your spa.